Hi, Psyche Truth fam. My name is Sinah, and welcome to today's full body Yogalates workout. Before we jump into today's workout, I just want to give a quick shout out to Yvette Sports for gifting us this awesome activewear outfits. So when you're ready, grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. Yvette Sports is a professional women's sports brand that aims in providing high quality, professional, and fashionable sports apparel. Not only do their outfits look sleek, but they are made for pure comfort and durability so you can work a little harder while you train. You can snag these exact outfits that I'm using by looking at the description below. When you're ready to check out, be sure to apply our personal discount code for 15% off on all purchases. Or use the 20% off discount code for purchases that are over $79. Be sure to check the description or the pinned comment for our personal discount codes. Be active, be daring, be inspired. Hi guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started in a downward facing dog. So just plant the palms of your hands steady on your mat. Kind of curl those fingertips a little bit so you have more stability and more grip. And when you're ready, go ahead and plug in your belly button, send those hips high to the sky, and shift your weight back towards your heels. Finding some stability, take a deep breath in right here through your nose. Deep breath out. Let's try this one more time. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Go ahead and come to your tippy toes and then send one foot down, tippy toes, then the other. We're just coming into this downward dog foot pedal. Just really stretching out everything from your hamstrings down to your calves, even your feet. And finding your upper arms, your hands, that sturdiness in your body, that stability in your body. Come back into your tippy toes. Take a deep breath in right here. Exhale, send that weight towards your heels. On your next inhale, we're going to go ahead and lift your right leg all the way up to the sky, coming into a three-legged dog. Exhale, bend that leg, opening from the hip all the way down to your knee. Inhale, lifting that leg all the way up. Exhale, step that right foot to the outside of your right hand. Shift your weight forward and back for 5, 4, really stretching out those hips. For 3, 2, last one. Yeah, say good morning to those hips. Now slowly come to your knee. Inhale, lifting that right arm all the way up to the sky. Exhale, send it back. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way back. Nice job. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, send it back. Go ahead and bend your left leg and grab a hold of your foot. Coming into that quad stretch, and just breathe in right here. In through your nose, out through your mouth. One more breath right here. Maybe bring that foot closer to your butt. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Release that foot. Release that hand up and down. Step that right foot to meet your left, coming into that plank. Holds right here. We're going to shift our weight forward and back. For 10, you got this. 9, 8. So you're really plugging in that belly button to your spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Come with me. Excellent job. Send those hips high to the sky. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Take another breath right here in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Find that stability in your hands. Inhale, lifting that left leg all the way up to the sky. Exhale, open your hips. Inhale, lift it all the way up to the sky. Step that left leg on the outside of your left hand. And then let's shift forward and back for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Excellent job. Come to your knee. Inhale, lifting that left arm all the way up. Exhale, send it back, really opening up that shoulder. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, send it back. Last one. Inhale, hands come all the way up. Exhale, send it back. Stay right here. Go ahead and bend that right foot in. Grab a hold of your foot and then try to bring it in. Let's take 2 deep breaths right here. Inhale through your nose, send that breath to your quad. Exhale, release any tension. One more breath right here. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Release that foot. Bring that arm all the way up and down. Step that left foot to meet your right. Coming into that plank, shifting your weight forward and back for 10. Really engaging that core. Really plugging in that belly button towards your spine. Pushing against the mat. You're steady. You're like a piece of wood. You're just shifting forward and back for 4. 3, you got this for 2. Last one. Send your hips high to the sky. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Excellent job. Coming right back into that plank. From here, we're going to start with some shoulder taps, so come with me for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. You got this. For 5. 4. 3. 2. Last one. Excellent job. Hold that plank for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Drop to your knees. Open those knees wide, coming to that child's pose. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Let's take another breath right here in through your nose. Out through your mouth. One at your own pace. Slowly coming into a tabletop position. We're going to come into supported push-ups. So from this tabletop position, shift your weight forward, open those elbows wide. And we're going to come up and down for 10. Come with me. 9. 8. 7. 6. In 5. My arms are already shaking for 4. 3. 2. Give me one more. You got this. Excellent job. Coming back into that tabletop position. Inhale as you extend your right leg back. Plug in your belly button and we start lifting for 10. 9. 8. You're really engaging that glute. Imagine like I'm right there with you. And as you lift your leg, I'm making sure that your glute is really engaged. I'm really poking your glute and it's so hard. So go ahead and really engage that glute for 5. 4. 3. 2. Hold that leg up and we pulse for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Hold and release that leg. Windshield wipe those hips from side to side. You're doing a fabulous job. We're almost done. I'm so proud of you. You should be so proud of yourself too. Coming back into this tabletop position, extend your left leg behind. And let's start lifting for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Imagine I'm right there with you. I'm making sure that glute is super engaged for 4. 3, 2, last one, hold, and we pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold, and release that leg. Let's go ahead and shake those hips from side to side, releasing any tension. And when you're ready, coming right back into that tabletop position, taking a deep breath in, plugging in that belly button. On your exhale, send those hips high to the sky, coming into that downward facing dog. Inhale through your nose, exhale out through your mouth. Inhale, lifting that right leg high. Exhale, coming into a pigeon position. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come forward into your forearms. We're going to stay here for a few breaths. So find some grounding, find some gratitude for your body and all it does for you every single moment of your day. Find peace, find stillness. Coming right back into your hands, coming into that three-legged dog, opening that hip, inhale all the way up, coming right back into that downward dog. Inhale, lifting that left, opening that hip, coming into that pigeon pose. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, coming into your forearms. Once again, taking a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Finding that breath, finding that peace, that stillness, and just settling into this moment. Coming into your hands, making your chest proud, and then stepping into that three-legged dog. Open your hip, and then come back into that downward dog. Deep breath in right here. Exhale, come to your knees, open those knees wide, send your hips back, walk those hands forward into child's pose. Take another breath right here, in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more breath, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Slowly walk your hands in, finding a comfortable kneeling position. Inhale, send your arms all the way up. Exhale, bring your arms to your third eye. May all your thoughts be kind. Bring those arms into your lips. May you speak words of kindness and bring those arms into your heart. May love shine everywhere you go. Slowly putting a warm smile on your face, opening your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for working out with me. Please check out the description box below for your Vet Sports discount code.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.